Yo, it's your boy Halifax hooligan, and I'm back to shouting today because I've lost the bracket for my other helmet. So I'm using this one, and the problem with using this one is I haven't got all the microphone plugged in, and I feel like it's pointing quite far down. So I feel like I'm having to look more. And I've absolutely smashed my shin off that fucking crash cage jumping out of the garden. Oh, it proper hurts. Like, Jesus, I think it's fucking bleeding. I felt wet then. I'm winding like a right little bit. But today, we're doing something fun. Something really fun. This episode, you're going to be dirt bike riding. Or crosses, or pit bikes, or whatever the hell you want to call them. So, yes, we're doing some dirt bike riding. There'll be no wheelies on the grom because I'm really low on fuel, and I'm not sure if you've seen on the all over social media and stuff, but fucking retards that have been buying loads of fuel because there's a shortage on drivers, not fuel, drivers for lorries and wagons and fucking fuel tankers. So because there's a shortage of that, they decided, oh, let's buy all the fuel and we'll make a shortage of fuel instead. So I'm waiting for V-Power to come back in. Yeah, you check my bike out. That's the machine recovers because Jesus Christ. So yeah, I'm trying to conserve fuel, so I won't be booting it properly, that sort of stuff. Nice and easy today, which will be until we get to my friend's house. Then we'll be taking it easy, then we'll do some dirt bike riding. I can't wait for that. But also, so I've probably mentioned in like recent videos that the CBR was what brought me to motovlogging, and that's what I started motovlogging on. But where I'm off to ride this bike with a few of the mates, that is where bikes in general, anything with an engine and handlebars, that's where they start. It's a place called Nixington, and it's a nice little track that the council used to leave the law with and all that sort of stuff, so it should be fun. I haven't been there for ages, so yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Being back there. It's only a little track. It was massive when I was younger. Obviously, since being on the road, well, these sort of bikes open up the world for you, don't they? You get to go wherever you want. Whereas then, you're restricted to certain areas. So, train of thought. So, let's get to some pit bikes. Yeah, and we're back. A little 110. It's so long since I've rode down off roads and stuff like this. It feels sketchy as hell. It feels just as fast as the fucking grom though. I fucking love riding these things. That's good. So neutral is at the bottom on this, unlike so that's it. That's all we've got. That's all she's got. Absolutely, yes, I feel so outlawing. I am proper Halifax found the Lexus motorbike. I'm going to have a look on purpose now. I want some air in the tyre. They're having all real tyre on it. Want them power? I told you this episode's going to be sick. Stop! Probably shouldn't cane it. This is the way I had to ride on my M2R. This little thing's fine. Little 125. It'd be nice to ride. This is fucking lovely though. Better than it's on. On these back tracks isn't bothered about your riding on them, as long as you don't absolutely tear it up. Which is good. Who wants to tear back tracks? I've been on here decades now, we're talking years. Sounding really old than I'm not. Just this bit you got to be careful of. They don't like it when you come twatting on here. Stop me once. Don't mind you riding on here as long as you're not. We were after. That's fine. Oh, my alarm's going off. I wondered what that were. I could hear some chiming. My alarm.
Oh my god! Wow!
My alarm. That was well annoying. Got like some wind chimes or something. It worked with my alarm. Ugh. Sort of stand up like a proper motocross. Stand up, that's unbearably bouncy. Oh, there's chickens! Ah! Not the chickens! Can't believe I came down here on the CBR. I'll show you that down, ready? Go! Dirt tyres on this should have been bin. What? Some off-roading tyres on this. That's neutral. Keep forgetting that it's neutral. It's neutral, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Check the topo. And then off we go. Get some dirt off these lovely dirt tyres. If anywhere's cropping, it's definitely here. Keep going to indicate and it doesn't have any indicators. Give way to your right. That was not my best fast, which is so fun. It's just like the grom, to be fair, but slower, more fun. Second gear is like the perfect gear for something like this. I am too big for this though. Okay, we'll let this little lad have a go and we'll be back. A bit big for something like this thing. Give it a rest on this thing. It's a bit big. Yeah. He's rolling forward on it.
Alright,
Yeah.
There's a bit that crosses the river.
Yeah.
And it leads all the way back. And you go over a bridge. That's why I bought the other one, because I'd be able to take him.
I saw that on the
video.
Yeah, well I tried to go that way, but I had to turn around because it was boggy and I didn't want to go on grom.
Would I be able to go that way?
Possibly, you just have to be nice and steady because it is on a steep drop.
Yeah.
We are a bit soft up road, aren't we? But... yeah, just a bit big for here, innit?
Yeah.
Dad?
Yeah.
Can you undo this? Can you get off for a minute?
I forgot how hard. I still love coming down here on my 1251.
Yeah.
I did M2R.
Oh yeah, made to race, yeah.
But it were a bit big. It were a big wheeled one.
Yeah.
So. But there's all sorts of little places you can go.
Alright.
Do you mind if I cross the river?
No, do what you want. Yeah, have a go.
obviously got to ask for permission. It's not my bike. See how I can cross this thing then. Oh, you're joking. Oh, one of the trees have collapsed. Oh, I call that Andy. I won't go that way. It's a dead end that way. The trees, a tree's fallen over and blocked that track. A tree over there's fallen over, and it's blocking the track. So you can't get across now. You could go the other way, and then but you'd have to turn around and go back. Oh, it's a bit deep. Thanks, mate. I hope you picked that too. Best thing about riding one of these though is if you're going too slow, you just put your foot down. Because you're not going fast enough to fucking hit yourself. I did this on the grom once, but I forgot to upload the video. Well, no, I didn't forget, I just deleted it by accident. Oh no, it's far too deep. Ah, fucking red hot now. Got stuck. No. Oh, look how deep that is! We'll have to try a spin. I am absolutely knackered from that. Oh, I've got forearm pump. I cannot whinge about wheeling the fucking grom again till I get a forearm pump from wheeling the grom. This thing's incredibly hard and it's flicking mud everywhere. It's absolutely like a swamp back there.
Yeah.
You can ever do then?
Yeah.
Do need a good wash.
Yeah,
It's stuck on.
that's it. Go on then, get your other one out.
Okay, we'll give it a quick rest. Okay, it's time to take this thing home. So, I'm not sure if I explained properly, but I grew up here, round here, since 8-year-old. I've been doing shit like this especially all my life, especially down here. Eventually, I grew up, got white knuckle, and then I had a Lex Moto, and then my famous CBR, and then my CBF, and then my KTM, and then oh shit, there we are today, the grom. So, I had a ZZR 400 at one point as well. I'm saving up for a big bike again. I keep trying to tell you what it is, and I don't want to. So, well, yeah, this is proper home sweet home. So let's do a hill climb. So, go! 110 power! It's about to kill me. So it's going time now. This is where I'm about to get flicked with mud though, all up my back, so all my coat and stuff's going to need washing. Tracks I used to rip up when I was a youngster. I love talking like an old man. I got some photos that go on here on GoPro, sketchy as fuck though. over this place, man. The coppers are never catching around here. There's just so many different ways you can go. Oh, this little thing pulled me up as well. Going the long way back because it's later on. I've been riding around, so don't want the popo catching me. Like I don't climb on this big thing. This little thing, hopefully I don't fall off. Gotta lean right forward. Through me about that one. So that I don't think I can't do it because I can go along with it. But I did this on the grom. Yeah, did this on the grom. Oh, I pissed in that one. Ah, don't sting me. Yeah, it's definitely going to come this way first. Much easier. I've only got to cross that main road instead of riding all the way down. Oh, that sun's bright. I just want to get another one again. Head on a fucking swivel, mate. Head on a fucking swivel. And see, it's just as comfy as the grom, which it isn't. Yeah, it's steady Eddie all the way here. Don't want to piss any farmers off. Last thing I want is to be shot. What is that? I didn't even thought that. Muddy, muddy, muddy puddle. No thank you. I can go up someone's driveway. Ah, I thought it was a dirt track, sorry. Any junction, on road or off road, check. I've seen so many kids just fly out of junction. That's why they get such a bad name. See, look, I'm going nice and steady. Only what, not even 20 miles an hour? Farmer sees me just tooting along. Not, you know, not fucking going for it. I tend to be alright about it. Hopefully I can get them to let me on their 250. Get them to let me on their 250. That'll be better. That'll be more fun. Hello, Squizzle. Bastard, that Squizzle nearly got squished. No, Squizzle! That's not crashed into that fucking guy. It is this way, isn't it? Yes, it is. So this is the end of the dirt road. might as well end it here. But yeah, this one, I hope you enjoyed this one as much as I did. I really enjoyed this. I'm going to blot about going back to the where I started from. There's probably another word for it. But yeah, it's cool, isn't it? Ooh, should have a quick nosy up there. No. Not my bike. Should be taking liberties. Ah, horse poo. But yeah, so it's been your boy, Buddy Halifax Hooligan, on the 110 power. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and peace.
I've been waiting for that